G'day folks, it's me, unfortunately only me. Fiona is busy, so heading to the medieval fields. Let's see what we can get. Bit of lead. There's a prize in every one. What we're really after, obviously, is hammered silver. Oh, yep. I'm not sure that that's a coin. No, just a bit of metal, maybe a strap end. Don't know. It'll almost certainly be medieval. So, it would appear we've got, I think, a hammered silver coin. Just come out of there. It was really shallow. Haven't cleaned it, so oh yeah, it is. Yeah, excellent farthing. Really gently give it a clean. Ah, wonderful. That's the third farthing I've had off this field. Ooh, that got the heart racing. That's some sort of buckle or buckle strap or something like that. I don't know. You can see there would have been a bit of leather just in between there, but that's nice. Gold gilding, look. Wow. Crusty coin ball or lead ball. Is that it? Yep. That looks like we've got a buckle lot just sat. Oh, lovely. Well, oh, he's got his pin. Oh, that is lovely. Also, I've never found one that shape. They're normally a bit more patterned, but that is a lovely find. Beautiful. Bit of lead. Worm. Sorry, little fella. No. Lead. Drat. Bit of lead. How's that song go? Stop. Hammer time. Yeah. Just there. Now, do I go back to the car? Oh, I can't be bothered. Oh, yeah. You little beauty. It's a small one. I was going to go back to the car, get the digital SLR and film it close up so you can get some real detail, but it's a bit too far to walk. Right, let's just give it a clean up and I'll show you a close up. But do you know what? I've got the best field I can imagine. I really have. I think I've just found my biggest medieval buckle. Oh, it's got its pin as well. Look at the size of that thing. Bloody Nora. Oh, now that is superb. God and bet I've never had them this big. That's fabulous. Absolutely. I've got the best land. I am such a lucky swine. That's huge. Just knocked over this. Saw that. What is that? Well, it's... oh my god. What? And I ain't got a clue. Holy crap. I ain't got a clue what that is, but I bloody like it. Wow. Well, it's not silver. Don't know. I'll clean it up. I'll try and ID it. And I'll tell you, it's got loads of fleur-de-lis on it. Whew. Come on. No pin. Looks like pewter actually. I don't know. Nice. Don't you just love it when you just kick away the surface and you get a coin? That looks like it might be a blank disc. Oh no, hang on. I can just make out something. Not much. I don't know what that is. Nope, no idea. Blank disc. Well cooked. Oh, hang on. Oh, I don't know. What a day. Wow. I don't know what to say. I mean, that's, you know, that's properly going, that is. Two Hammards. I think this is a Jetton, okay? It's got a lot of detail. I'm going to have to take a close up and see what detail we can get. This Hammard, I believe, the second one I got, I believe it might be an Edward 4, okay? I'm saying that because of the crown. And this little farthing, I don't know. But I mean, it's medieval. What more do you want? That buckle, wow, look at it. I mean, that's a big buckle. A really big buckle. I'll tell you what, here's how big it is. Look. Here's a penny, okay? That's a penny next to this buckle. An old penny. So you can see how bloody big that is. I've never had one like that. I think it's, I mean, surely a horse buckle or something like that. This one as well, I've never had one, you know, really square like that with its pin. This one here, I've no idea. Medieval. This little thing, don't know what it is. Probably some sort of strap end of some sorts. So yeah, there you go. This field, I mean, it's proper medieval. It's just fantastic. You know, there's a lot of lead, and then you just get a nice two-way. You think, oh, could be a Hammard, and you dig it and you go, wow. So fantastic stuff. Hopefully there will be a lot more videos like this coming out, because I got told today that I can detect on that field as much as I want. So well, good luck and happy hunting to you all. I look forward to your comments and I'll catch you all soon. Bye for now.